Practice run pa lang naman to, di ba?
Well, you and your partner will choose a song to perform. And as early as now, we are going to be inviting special guests to watch your performance. So, good luck, everyone.
Hindi naman natin kailangan maging magkaibigan para mag-work. Galingan na lang natin.
Sure. Tayo ang number 1 and 2 sa ranking. Together, we will ace this.
Sure ka ba na kaya mo isang tabi yung galit mo sa akin?
Nag-apologize na ako, di ba? That's all in the past. Look, we both want this. So let's just make it work.
O naman. Basta ako, wala namang problema sa akin. Ikaw ba kaya mo?